Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to day number 7. We're going to be talking about some logs, analyzing some logs. So if you're ready for some fun, let's jump into the desktop and enjoy this day. All right, folks. So day number 7, I just started up the machine. So the little story here is to take revenge for a company demoting him. So who is this? I guess it's Tracy McGritty installed some cryptoid mining, a malware he downloaded from the dark web on all the desktops. Man, he's having a bad day today. All right, so let's keep going. Let's see, what are we going to be learning about today? I guess it's all about log analyzing and all that stuff. So we're going to obviously look at a log and see. Let's go ahead and open up a terminal. And just to make sure, let's open up a terminal here. All right. Just want to make sure everything is good. Let me make this a little bigger. I make that. Okay, cool. All right. So as we can come down here, the log right here. So this is pretty much a log file, right? We have here 152.32.51.188. And we can see the timestamp, the get request, robots.txt, HTTP, blah, 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 right? So the example above is an entry from an Apache web server, right? So this is the field, this is the value, this is the description. I'm guessing this is what we're going to be working with today. The source IP is going to be 158.32.51.188. And the time, I'm guessing this is just like a description of it. I'm not sure. Well, I guess we'll find out today. So we have an HTTP request, we have a status code, and we have a user agent. So it's using curl, status code 200, response from the web server, web application, etc. All right, so I guess we'll be talking about web proxies. Like again, once this is, I just want to put this, keep it a buck with you guys, right? Keep it at 100. Every time the room comes out, I just go in, and then after when I'm done with my challenge, if I, obviously, hopefully I can solve the challenge. And then I like to look at the walkthrough to see if I can learn anything different, or if I did something that was, took longer and there was maybe a shortcut. So that's the way I approach these things. Like yesterday, I was so lost, but we figured it out. So it's all good in the hood. All right. So what is a proxy server, right? So this is pretty easy, right? Proxy server. So when you send a request to the internet from your computer, you just go straight to a website like TryHackMe.com, right? So if they have a proxy server, all the connections, all the requests going to TryHackMe.com is going to be proxied, right? So in this case, it's going to Google.com and it's proxied to a proxy server. Okay? Pretty self-explanatory. So the attack technique and all right, so download attempt. Okay, so they're going to download a file or malicious binary, data exfiltration, and continuous C2 connections, which is a command and control center, right? So let's see. Let's keep going down here. I just like to briefly describe it so it's not just right to the challenge, because I didn't read it. Prior to here, I just booted it up, and because I don't have much time today, so I just wanted to get this out of the way on my break. All right, so the VM contains a log. All right, so let's go ahead. Where are we now? So I'm guessing it's on the desktop. So let's go CD to desktop, artifacts. All right, see if I can make this a little bigger. All right, so let's do an ls here. All right, we have this access.log. So we do have a log file here. All right, so we can see it, or we can do what they said, right? ls-lah, and we can see the file right here. Perfect. Cool beans. All right, so let's see, view Linux, blah, blah, blah. So we can cat that out. Let's make this a little smaller. Just so it's cat access.log. Okay. Holy smokes. So there's a lot of stuff here, right? There's a lot of stuff. All right. I don't know what I'm getting myself into today, but all right. So we can do less, right? Access. So it's a little easier to, a little easier. So it's not all on one page. We can hit Q for quitting that. All right. So let's keep going down. So we can use less, we can use head, right? So head dash n here, one access.log. And then we can see, okay, I think I'm seeing what we're getting at here. Then we can use tail. Tail, let's go ahead and use tail. Dash n1. Whoops, sorry. That was supposed to be a 1, not an A. All right, here we go. All right, start blah, blah, blah. I'm just trying to read what's there. All right, cool dizzy. Word count, so we can look at the word count. So I'm guessing this is just giving us some commands that we'll probably use later on. And the word count is 49,081. Okay. And we can do the dash L as well. Right. There we go. 49,081. All right. Uh-oh, I think I got to sneeze. Sorry. Excuse me. And told you, I don't like to do edits. I just like to do whatever I do. All right, so nl access.log. And all right, what is this doing? NL stands for number lines. Okay, so, okay, cool deal. So we can see the number. I don't, oh, I guess because maybe this is too big. Let's go ahead and try to do that again. No. I'm guessing it's like 1, 2. Let's make this bigger because this is way too big. I'm way too small. All right, let's clear this out and start from a clean slate. Okay. All right, so chopping down the proxy log. So now we're going to start like, okay, I get it. It just pretty much getting us prepared for when we'll probably have to go through the challenge. We probably have to use these commands and chop some stuff up and utilize these commands in order to find the answers, I think. I have no idea. Who knows? So timestamp, space dash, source IP, space dash, okay, blah, 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 blah. All right, so all it is, okay, position, okay, so I see what it is. So the field, timestamp, source IP, domain and port number, HTTP method, HTTP URI, source code, response size, and user agent, like this one's coming from Firefox. Excuse me, so the position is 1 through 8, the value. Okay, so I think I get it. We'll find out. I think I'm getting, all right, so now we can do cut. All right, so let's start using these commands, cut dash D. And the dash D is option for delimiter, right? So let's do this, dash F1. So what is the F? Okay, for the position. So F1 is going to be the timestamp. Okay. And now obviously we have to do the access.log. So the timestamp is October 25th, 2023. Cool. All right. We're getting somewhere. All right. So let's keep going down. So now if we want to do, let's go up 2 more. And now if we want to do fields 3 and 6, let's do that. 3. Whoops, and 6. So now we can, I don't remember. You know what? I want to take a snippet of this so I have something to reference to. Let me take a snippet of this really quick, just so I can have this off to the side. Because if I have this, then I don't have to keep going up and down and doing a miracle round. All right, cool deal. Let me, sorry. Just want to make my life a little easier. And I figure this will. Okay, thank you. All right, so let's keep going down. Oh, yeah, that's what I was going to do. Now I have this to look at, right? So let's go back down. So 3 is going to be domain and port, and 6 is going to be the status code. So as you can see here, we can see the domain and the source, the status code right here, like for example, 302, 200, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. Now let's go ahead and just clear this because I like to start at a clean slate. So now if we go up, 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 and let's do cut, and then let's go between these single quotes and just do a double quote. And all right, so now we're going to go ahead. What is this? Email block, column 1, 2, and 1, provided the outcome, trying to cut. All right, so, okay. Linux pipes. All right, so the pipe is like you pipe grep and pipe blah, blah, blah. So this is, okay. All right, so the first 5 connections made from 10.10.140.96 to do this, to use grep. Okay, so we're gonna grep, but not get, grep 10.10.140.96 and then access.log. All right, so this is going to go ahead and grep anything that has this associated. So it highlights it, so we're looking at that. Okay, so let's keep going down. And okay, so blah, blah, blah. So now let's go ahead. Man, this is going to start getting a little hairier and hairier, huh? Can I just copy these? I wonder if I can just copy this. Let's go ahead and paste it in here. Let's see if I can do that. No, I don't want to paste that. All right, maybe I can't. Let me try one more time. Let's just, for grins, let's copy this. Paste, okay. All right, let's clear this out and let's paste it here. Please work. No. All right, it's all right. So, but you guys get the gist. I don't really have to run these commands. We can see them right here. So it's going to cut the D. So dash D. What was dash D? Was the delimiter, I believe. Dash D. What was these? Yeah, for delimiter. All right. So, and then cut dash D. Oh, we didn't do that one. So you can see like, okay, sway.com, sway.office.com. We can see anything that's associated with. All right, cut, access, sort. So it's sort in alphabetical order. So now it's going to be like account.activedirectory.windowsazure.com. Okay, so we get the gist. At least I think I do. Sort unique. I'm probably going to have to come back up for the sort unique. I just have to try to remember dash C. All right, now we can sort some stuff out. Dash N, option of the sort command. So blah, each domain sort. Okay. These are a lot of commands. I mean, a lot of switches. Like, so to remember all these, just have to, I guess, reference it, right? Written together. Okay, NR. All right, so hunting down the malicious traffic. So we can use the tail command, tail dash N10 for the less 10, but whatever, to get the last 10 items. So this is 10, I assume, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So, all right. I think I'm understanding this. So far, so good. So suspicious domain. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. So this is going to say like, okay, like any kind of suspicious activity, because obviously we're looking at a log, right? So this is going to be an interesting one. All right. So conclusion, congratulations, you've completed the investigation. All right. So next step is to, the next step for Forensic McBlue's team is to indicate, all right. So we pretty much have to search through this shiznit. All right. How many unique IP addresses are connected to the proxy server? All right. All right. So we have to know the source IP, right? So I'm just looking at my position, and that's number 2. And we can use the cut. So we're probably going to be using, maybe I should have did this cut. So it's cut dash D, right? The delimiter. And bing, bing. All right. So what was it? I think it was source IP. So it's going to be the F2, right? F2 in my case, right? So it's source IP, and then the access.log. And then we're going to sort, right? Because we have to sort. This is when these, how many unique IPs are connected. All right. So, and then we're going to use unique, right? And then I think it's a dash C. All right. Let me go back here. Maybe I should have done this so I had this in my memory already. Unique dash C. Okay, perfect. Dash C, not equal C. Dash C. All right. And then we can pipe pipe that. Good thing we learned our pipe. And then we can sort, right? Sort -n, right? Space. I'm just pretty much following what I see here. And then we can hit enter. Let's see. Did I do something wrong? Access.log sort pipe unique -c. Cut -d. Am I like, oh, I see where I'm wrong. See? We're gonna learn today. Dash. Okay. Oh man, can I get rid of this thing? Yeah. All right, so let's come back down. What is the how many unique IPs? So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess we can do, I wonder if word count works. That's probably why we did the word count, right? Oh, perfect. 9. Make my life easier. Perfect. All right. So how many unique domains were accessed by all the workstations? Oh, shiznit. All right. So let's, whoops, not clear there. All right. So let's clear this. I want to hit the up arrow. Yeah, I know that was the wrong answer. Did it. So how many unique domains now? So domains are 3, right? So let's just F3. So we have to do F3 here. That's for the domains. And then let's see, 118. How many blah? All right, let's make sure. Man, this is so many. Sorry, let me go back up here. What is, so how many unique domains? So domains, all right, let's, I don't think it's 118, is it? Oh, I guess it can be. Let's see. 118? Nope. All right, let's see. Let me go up. Let me see. -3. Access.logs. All right, let's do this. Instead of sort, let's try to do cut. Try cut. Let's go back up. I guess we have to do -d, right? We have to do delimiter. And told you, I learn as we go. I think it was, oh, right here. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. How you doing? All right, so let's do this. Unique C, but then that's going to be F, and then F1. Equals F1. Sorry, guys, I'm just trying to think. And when I think and I try to do this, it doesn't really work out so well. So sort, let's go ahead and try to do this. F1, and then let's what's my other thing? Sort. And this thing is, now let's use unique. I'm just trying to remember off the top. I don't think this is going to be right, but we'll see. All right, so sort unique. Let's see if it's one. Is it a 111? Let's see, 111. Bada bing, here you go. Man, I'm telling you, every day, for me at least, it's getting more interesting and I'm learning something new because I don't do this every day, right? So this is pretty fun stuff. All right, so let's see. What is the source code? I mean, the status code. What status code is generated by HTTP requests to the least access domain? The least access domain. Freaking no. All right, so I guess we'll find out. So it's going to be, let's go ahead and just take all this out. Let me see. So least access domain. So the domain is 3, right? And then the status code is 6. That's why I took a screenshot of that. So let's do comma 6. And then 3, 6. And then let's see. Let's come back up here. I guess we have to find something that I didn't do. All right. I think I messed this up. This is probably why you have to go through this to see. All right, so let's see if I can do this now. I think I need this in order to, I assume. Let's see. Let's go ahead and paste this in here. Enter. No. All right. So, oh man, this is very, very interesting. So suspicious domain. So we need to get a suspicious domain somewhere, somehow. So let's try this one. Maybe this will give us the suspicious domain. Maybe you should work. All right, let me paste this now and enter. Okay. All right, so this looks weird. What is it? Frostlings.big bad stash. Okay. So I want to copy this. Can I copy this and paste this in my notes? Let me just take a snippet. Let me take a snip. All right. So that's cool. And all right. That's probably something that we need. All right. This is pretty interesting. This is pretty interesting. All right. What is the source code generated by the least amount of domains? Okay. So the least domains. Let's go ahead. Let me see something. Let me just go back here. And I'm just going to do domain access.log, and then I want to grep. Let me see like this. Let me just see something. No. All right. Trying to see grep. What the hell am I missing? This is why I chose not to do this one for my walkthrough. Now you guys get it. Oh, is it this one? Partners. Yeah, this one looks like the least amount. I don't know. Let's go ahead and give that a jingle. I have no idea. Let's see. Grep. What is it called? Partner services. Services. Did I spell? Yeah, of course I spelled that wrong. Partners. No, partner services. Okay. All right. So I think that may have worked. Let's see. What is maybe 504? 503? Please be it, because I want to get out of here. Okay. Perfect. All right. So now we're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. I know this is probably going to be a long ass video, but we're going to learn, right? That's what it's all about. All right. So what are we on? Question number 4. Based on the high count attempt connections, what is the name of the suspicious domain? So that was, oh shit. Let me go back. Not that. What was that thing called? I just saw it. It was like frosting. Oh, fuck. I lost it. Is it here? Yeah, right here. Can I copy this, please? Copy. All right, let's see if this is it. I'm sure it is. Copy this. Please be it. Perfect. All right, good stuff. All right, let's keep this ball rolling. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. Thanks for hanging in there with me. What is the source IP of the workstation that access the malicious domain? What is the source IP address? All right, so if we All right, so we know this is the bad guy, right? The frostlings. All right, so if I would, let's do a grep. Let's do, what is the 3? 3 is the domain. So let's go ahead and do 3 and 2. So let's do 2, 3 here, right? Because 2 is a source IP. We need to know that. And then number 3 is the domain import, right? So we're going to go ahead, not grep this. We have to grep this, this frostling dot, what is it? Dot big bad stash. All right, so the IP address looks like it should be 10.10.185.225. Damn, we are learning something today. All right, so how many requests made from the malicious in total? How many requests? So if we was just to do this, let's see something. What is the, I'm just trying to look at my 2.3 access. Yeah, I think that should be, let me go ahead and just do a word count. All right, so pretty much this is the word count, right? How many requests? So let me see, 1.8, I think. Okay. I'm getting the hang of this now. I'm getting the hang of it, I think. I'll probably have to do this room again just to make sure. All right. How many retrieve exploitation of data? What is the hidden flag? What is the hidden flag? Let's go back up here because they were showing some stuff with basic. So we probably have to do some stuff like this. All right. So we know this bad domain is this freaking frosting whatever. So let's go ahead and grep. Yeah. Let's grep. Let's see. I want to copy this so I can make sure I have the right. Oh, shit. Copy. And then we're going to paste this here. I hope I'm doing this right. And if I am, cool. If I'm not, we'll go another route. All right. So I think I'm thinking about this correctly. So now we have to do access log. We want to grep this domain inside of our access log, right? And then we want to cut, right? We want to use the cut command that we learned, -d. -d space. All right. And then what is the, so dash, I think it's F5 for the HTTP URI. All right. So let's go ahead and also we can add in the cut for -d. What was it? Equals? Yeah, I think it was equals. I'm just going off what I remember. And if not, and then we do F2, right? Because we want to know the source. Okay. Let's see if this works. I have no idea if it's going to work, but we're going to learn and see if it does. All right. So this is, okay. And this is pretty much right here. So base 64, let's see. So this looks like it's base 64. So let's go ahead and just up arrow and just pipe base 64. Base 64 and then -d. No, base 64. Am I missing anything? Cut -d. All right, so it looks like it's right here. So I want to copy this just so I don't make sure I don't have any errors. But let's go here and paste. And the suspicious domain is going to be this guy. Copy this. Let's see if we can paste it here. All right, so grep. All right, let's see if I can copy this. And Let me clear this out. And let me hit the enter so you guys can see. Let's paste. Enter. Ah, here we go. Maybe I just did a typo. All right, so here goes some of the... Oh, hey, how you doing? I don't know if you can see this. SOC analyst, this... A gift for you. Oh, is it a gift for you, awesome analyst? All right, thanks. I don't think I'm that awesome, but I found your ass. All right, so let's go ahead and copy this. Let's go ahead and paste this bad boy here, and then paste it here. And bada bing, bada boom. How you doing? All right, so that was pretty fun. How long was this? Half hour? Holy moly. But hopefully you guys made it to the end. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And I really appreciate it. Bye-bye. See you in day 8.